2/3 cups of heavy whipping cream. And you're going to unroll your cinnamon rolls. Of bean paste. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now pour this over your cinnamon rolls. Just like that. Seconds. And then drizzle it. 2 slices of bacon. Sprinkle to the top. Oh, those are nice. 4 eggs, chives, smoked paprika. And then you're going to take each individual biscuit, a little bit of bacon, and some cheese, however much you like. We're going to take our biscuit and we're going to pinch it together. We're going to lightly brush each one of our biscuits with our butter. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and then add them to a blender. Put your salt, cumin, take some vegetable oil and brush them lightly. Fry until they're crispy. Then add your chorizo. You're going to add onion and jalapeno. Give this a mix. And add your eggs. 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Heaping spoonful of our breakfast salsa. Self-rising flour. Heavy whipping cream. And 1 stick of unsalted butter that's been melted. Bake them until they're golden brown. Egg gravy, melt 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, salt, black pepper, and 3 eggs. Then you take your whisk and gently stir your eggs and they will scramble within the gravy. All those fresh vegetables, so nice. We like the big muffins around here. Look on the inside. They're so good. It's beautiful. Cup of packed brown sugar. Add the bacon to the top of the butter and the brown sugar. Combine together in a bowl 2 cups of buttermilk pancake mix and 1.5 cups of water. It's going to whisk together until it is completely smooth. Now pour your pancake batter over your bacon. Then you're going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees or until it is. She's baked. Now let's plate. Look. Okay, let's eat. Cook the bacon until it's crispy. 12 eggs, no shells. Cup of the sour cream. And add the hash browns to the bottom of the baking dish. And then add the sausage and all the vegetables on top of the hash browns. You're going to of cheddar cheese, and add it to the top of that. Of cheese. So it's 3 cups of cheese all together. Bacon, roughly chopped, to a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the bacon until it is crispy. 1 cup of grated cheese, a melty cheese, 3 eggs. Beat the flour out of them. Plug in your waffle iron and get it preheated. As you'll take your cheese, put your bacon in. When she's good and hot, we're going to spray her with our non-stick cooking spray for high heat. Put it right in the middle. Now, 2 to 4 minutes. Just like that. Chaffles, bacon, egg, and cheese waffles, topped with sour cream and parsley. Sausage is pre-cooked, heated up in the air fryer at 400 for 10 minutes. Crack some eggs, splash of milk, salt and pepper, beat them up. Tablespoon of butter to a pan on medium-high heat. Scramble our eggs. Just like that. When the eggs and sausage are done, put them to the side and let's make the batter. For the batter, we're just going to use the pancake batter. Build the sandwich. 3 slices of cheddar, 2 pieces of sausage, another slice of bread, 2 slices of Gouda, your scrambled eggs, and another slice of bread. Just like that. Cut your sandwiches in half, wrap them in plastic wrap, chill them in the refrigerator, heat some oil in a pan to 350 degrees. Batter your sandwich. Fry both sides 2 to 3 minutes till it's dark golden brown. It's giving off Monte Cristo vibes. Drain the oil. Don't forget the powdered sugar. your minced garlic. Bump your heat up to medium-high and add your onions, the marinara sauce. Now that she's settled down and not screaming at us, you can give it a little mix. And now, I don't know the measurement. And the black pepper. However much you like. And take an egg and crack it into your well. Season your eggs with a little salt and a scrunch of pepper, or a lot of pepper, however much you like, and cover. And we're gonna cook on medium for 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how runny you want your egg. Just like that. Medium-high heat, add your sausage, and we're gonna crumble and brown until it is no longer pink. Your chopped bacon until it's all crispy. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. Add your potatoes. And we're going to season them with garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Give it a mix. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Add your diced onion. You're going to lower your heat to medium. You're going to give this a toss and let these cook until they are tender and browned. When your potatoes are golden brown and your onions have crispy edges, add your bacon. And then add your sausage and give it a stir. Now take a spoon and make little wells in your potato mixture and take your eggs. However many people you're feeding, that's how many eggs you're going to need. So, keeping the yolk intact, we're just going to put the egg in our wells. Egg in the well, no shell. And my last egg. Just like that. Season your eggs with a little salt, a little pepper. Place your skillet in the oven at 350 and we're going to bake them just like that. Add some more cheese and some chives. 1 pound of pork sausage, Jimmy Dean's, the original. 2 pans over medium heat. Once your sausage is no longer pink, you're going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir this till it's all combined. You don't want our gravy to taste like flour. Gradually add in 2½ cups of whole milk. Stir this on medium for about 2-3 minutes until it becomes thick. And just like that, you make sausage gravy. Preheat your oven to 400. Place your bacon on the baking sheet with a rack and bake for 20 minutes. Spray your air fryer basket or line it with one of those fancy liners. Any tater tots in the air fryer at 400 for 20 minutes. Crack some eggs. A little salt and pepper. Heavy cream. Now beat it up. Add some cheese. Mix it up. Medium-high heat. Tablespoon of butter. Butter is browned right before it's burnt. Turn your heat down and add your eggs. Cook them low and slow until they're no longer runny. Cheers. All-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, baking powder, kosher salt. You're gonna whisk to mix, buttermilk, eggs, melted butter. Make sure it's cool so you don't fry your eggs. Vanilla bean paste. Gotta add the wet to the dry, and she should be thicker than a Snicker. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Half of a ladle of your thicker than Snicker pancake batter to the pan. You're gonna cook this 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes per side. You're not gonna flip it though until you see thousands of bubbles. Just like that. Look how freaking fluffy it is. Medium-high heat, 2 cups of brown sugar, packed. 1 cup of water. Bring this to a boil, stirring constantly until the sugar has dissolved. Lower your heat to medium and allow this to boil for 4 more minutes. 1 stick of unsalted butter. Stir this till the butter is melted. Remove it from the heat and then add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Give it a mix and let it cool for 5 minutes. Top your fluffy pancakes with some butter and smother them with that syrup you made. Best pancakes and syrup ever. Better go make it so good.